Smith & Wesson Performance Center Model 327WR. This is the exact same configuration that Jerry Miculek won the world record in Revolver. There's only 1,880 of these made. Comes in 9mm and it's on moon clips. Has a scandium frame, titanium cylinder, stainless steel barrel. That's ported. Also has the Smith & Wesson core system, and we have a Vortex comp dot. The signature Jerry Miculek grips, which makes it really fast and smooth. This is an incredible gun to shoot, and it's really smooth. Full review on the Suit YouTube channel.